and like it's a gated little community.
Yeah.
Right? Everybody had their own little cabana. Like him and his girl, or him and his wife had a cabana. Maria had a cabana, and then they had it full, like nice. And then and so he's like, yeah, you guys, and at night you guys can, it's all gated. So if you guys want to come in, you guys just kind of start make a little fire and then make.
That's nice.
Make some marshmallows.
Yeah.
You know, and just some bonbons, you know. And then I was telling Chuito, I was like, Chuito, we can do like Mexican. We can do s'mores. I was like, oh, what about if we did like Mexican chocolate and galleta Maria?
That was his idea, really?
Yeah, that was like,
wow.
Let's do it. And I was like, oh, we're
You're going to be famous. You know what? We got to make these viral. We have to make you famous.
I was like,
get that marshmallow started.
I got this one.
You're going to be famous.
Okay, let me.
Chuito's, Chewy's Samasas.
This is the last marshmallow.
I can smell the chocolate or something.
Oh, yeah, you have a good idea. But isn't that getting hot, though?
What?
The tongue. It's not getting hot?
Right now, both of them will good.
Yeah. I like good.
I just don't want to overburn the cookie. Yeah, it's not.
I didn't really say it's bad though. Even with the burnt, because mine was like kind of burnt when I'm.
Even the pink ones?
Yeah, even if, I mean, I kind of.
I don't know. I like mine. I like mine charred, but that's me, I guess.
I like the.
Can we wait, Oscar, whoever's going to put this food? Who's going to get it?
I want it.
It's your invention.
Alan.
Oh,
It's my invention. What? So you can just say that you like your own invention. Say I like my idea. And now everybody's almost eating.
Oh, that's looking good.
Dude, that was
Okay,
nice.
so we have the Mexican version of s'mores. They're called samasas. And we use galletas Marias and chocolates de que? Rosa? De la Rosa. And marshmallows, so bonbons. Is that with the strawberry one?
Yeah.
It's good?
Pretty good.
Oh.
The melted chocolate really makes a difference.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, I bet.
Is yours okay, Johnny? Yeah. You got over it really quick.
The Mexican.
Did it work?
The melted chocolate will work too.
We should have done
Oh,
it
wow.
with the white one.
Everybody likes the invention.
But you can really taste the difference with the strawberry and marshmallow?
Oh, this
Yeah, because the strawberry has too much strawberry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like,
I'm saving this one.
yeah.
¿Te vas a hacer a Alan o qué?
Well, it isn't. Are you? I mean, I can take it off for you, Alan. Or it's not burnt. It's just like, it's just brown. You won't taste it.
Who wants the burn?
It's the last
What happened? What happened? You good?
Buenas noches.
Just because I can't do anything with this one.
Allá van a estar adentro.
Hola, comadre. Bien, gracias. La luna llena.
I'll take it off, Alan.
Full moon tonight.
It's not. It can't burn. It literally can't burn.
Oh, I can't have any more.
Yeah, man. I had too many sweets.